Good morning, everyone. In today's fast-moving business landscape, time and efficiency are more than just priorities, they're essential to success. That's why I'm thrilled to introduce you to the transformative potential of virtual talent. By hiring virtual personal assistants through Virtual Talent, you're not simply outsourcing tasks, you're streamlining your operations, minimizing administrative overhead, and achieving substantial cost efficiencies. Our VAs are equipped to manage everything from routine data entry and scheduling to more advanced operational functions, giving you the freedom to focus on strategic growth. Thanks to our offshore presence, your business benefits from round-the-clock support. While you rest, your operations continue seamlessly, maximizing productivity with a true 24/7 model. But what truly sets us apart is the strength of the relationships we build. Trust and reliability are the cornerstones of our service. Many of our clients have worked with the same dedicated assistant for over 5 years, a testament to the consistency, loyalty, and professionalism we bring to every engagement. Our virtual assistants possess excellent English proficiency, neutral accents, and a warm, customer-friendly approach. This ensures smooth communication, enhanced customer satisfaction, and a stronger brand presence. If you're ready to optimize your time, reduce overheads, and partner with a team that works tirelessly behind the scenes, Virtual Talent is here to support you every step of the way. Let's grow your brand, together. Thank you. Email us at customer@bestremoteworkers.com. Mobile phone WhatsApp, +1 9153 498858. Globe with Meridians, visit us at www.bestremoteworkers.com.